Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at or can upload this PDF document here to Google Classroom. Yes, definitely want to send it as class study material to your student or information to your colleague in Google Classroom. So you're going to bring up Google Classroom right here. So the next step, you're going to click on classwork. Now when you click on classwork, you see the word create. So you click on the word create. So you remember that's study material. So you're going to put it right here. Click on the word material. Now when you click on the word material, right, you put in the heading right here. And then underneath here, so you give the instruction. You can just study the following below. Remember, I will give the instruction right here. So what you're going to do, right, if you notice, show your drive, YouTube, create, upload, and link. But through it on the desktop, we're going to click on the word upload. Now, when you click on the word upload, these are the options that it brings. Recent, upload, my drive, star, share with me. It shows that I can actually drag it to this here, but I'm going to browse. So when I click on the browse, it's going to take me directly to the desktop where I actually have the file itself, right? It's very important here. So if you notice right here now, so this is the file. I'm going to click and highlight it. Now when I click and highlight it, I come here, notice this is the cancel and this is open. So I click on the word open. Right, if you notice right here, so this is how it actually out of right here to your Google Classroom. Or you can actually post it, or you can click right here and actually schedule it. Right, so if you don't want it to send out same time, you can actually come right here and schedule it. Right, if you notice right here, shows a topic. So no topics, so you want to put a topic, come like that. So these are the various topics right here. So you actually put in the topics we want. So this is the way exactly how you upload a PDF document into Google Classroom. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.